How to turn on or turn off link to Windows on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. At the top here, tap on connected devices. Then go down and tap on link to Windows. Tap on the toggle button. Here, if you haven't set up link to Windows before, you now have the opportunity to sign in. So tap on the sign in button and then select your account and then tap on continued. Here it says sign in with biometrics or sign in with password. So I will select sign in with biometrics and then use PIN. I'll put in my PIN and tap on continued. Put in the PIN again to confirm. Then tap on allow and then tap on allow. Then tap on allow to access various features or functions on the phone. Here tap on allow again and then choose while using the app, allow, and then tap on continued. Then tap on done, then tap on allow, and that's it. So we have now linked the account. At the top here, you can now easily turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.